Hi, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're a coconut lover, you are gonna love this KUUMBA Made Creamy Coconut Fragrance Oil. I'm literally in love with the KUUMBA Made Creamy Coconut Fragrance Oil. It's very easy to use. Pretty much you just roll it on your wrist and you make sure you dab it wherever you want that coconut smell to be. It's delicious. It smells so nice, like a beachy, calming smell. The size, it's less than half a pencil, but don't be afraid because a little bit can go a long way. This is so easy to carry with you on your purse or even travel in your carry-on bag since you don't have to check it in. You can even literally carry it on your pants. This is a fabulous perfume that I love. So if you cannot travel to your favorite island, don't worry about it. Bring your favorite island to your home by using this, and that is just my point of view.